To remove the motherboard, first remove the access panel. Remove any expansion cards if present in the unit. Remove system memory. Remove the heatsink and the CPU. When removing the CPU, install a socket cover on the load plate window before replacing the load plate over the socket. Detach all system connectors to the motherboard. Remove the 8 Torx head screws that secure the motherboard to the side wall of the PC. Carefully pull the motherboard out of the PC. Place the motherboard in an anti-static bag. To replace the motherboard, place the motherboard down into the unit, aligning the rear I/O ports into their cutouts at the back of the PC. Secure the motherboard to the side wall of the PC with its 8 Torx head screws. Reattach all system connectors to the motherboard.